Hi, welcome to an Autodesk Fusion 360 video tutorial. I want to do this exercise. I called it a simple rim, and I did it a while ago in the other programs. So let's start and have some fun with Fusion 360. As usual, we start with a sketch. So let's go for a sketch on the XY plane, and this might look something like this: up, 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 okay. Now let's check that's okay. Give it some dimensions. Just use the dimension which you just sketched, and I will change them afterwards. Okay, now let's change them. This should be 5, 20, 20, 20, 78, 20, 64, 20, and 5. Okay. Add some more dimensions. Maybe I project that. Oh no, it's okay. So from this line to that point, this should be 245. This might be 232. This might be 220. This might be 232, and that might be 'seems so. Let's align that line with this one because it's the same. Okay. Now stop the sketch. I will use patch, go for patch, make a revolve, revolve this profile with that axis 360 degrees and confirm. Now I want to thicken that, so go for modify, thicken, or just create thicken. There it is, thicken. I want to thicken that body and to the other side. Yes, and confirm. Now let's go back to our model. I need a new sketch on the same plane. Sketch on that plane, and I want to have the contour in my sketch, so let's go for project include intersect that body, the surface body, and confirm. Let's hide this body and make these for construction only. You could delete this side and this one, that one, and this one should be not for construction. Okay. I need a line right there. Be like this, and then I would add some splines. Oh, I need another line, maybe like this. Okay, and now some splines. One spline which starts right here, maybe goes up like this, over there, and up to this line. Confirm. And this handle should be horizontal, so okay. You can adjust this afterwards. Another spline. There you go. Should start right here, go maybe up like this, and here. And this handle should be also aligned, and it should be vertical aligned. So go to this one, select it. Okay. Now let's trim. Looks good. Yeah. Stop the sketch and make a revolve. So go for create, revolve that profile, and the axis should be, of course, that axis. And okay, let's take a look. Yeah, maybe I could adjust that sketch a little bit. Sketch 2, and maybe move this a little bit up, and this should be aligned as well, so that point should be right above this one. And let's move these points a little bit. Maybe like this. Stop the sketch. Yeah, that's okay. Let's hide this body, and I need another sketch now on that plane. So go for sketch right there. I need a circle. And that diameter should be 2 times 2, 4, so it's 490. 490. Okay, and that I need only for construction purposes, so make it for construction. Then I need another circle which should be a little bit bigger, maybe like this. You could give it a dimension if you want, doesn't really matter. So that's 420. Okay, and now I need a line which goes from here up, and okay, let's trim, give that angle a dimension. This should be 22.5. Okay, and it should be for construction. Oh no, it's okay. And now I would add some splines. Go for spline, which may start here. And this could look something like this. This should be aligned horizontal. Okay, this could, whatever you want, it could be a 90-degree angle to that, or it could be a different one, whatever you like, doesn't matter. Maybe move those points a little bit, like so. Then a second spline, which starts maybe here and goes like this. That handle should be aligned and it should be perpendicular to that line, so go for perpendicular, this one and that one. Okay, now let's trim. This should be trimmed, that should be trimmed, and I will make these two lines for construction and draw a second line over it from this point to that point, and another one from this point up to that point, and this should be trimmed like this. Okay, very nice. Let's stop the sketch and let's make an extrude, which should be up and above that body 3. So let's go for create, extrude, this one, and this should be right above. So that's okay, 300, make it 300 in this case. And make sure it's a new body. Confirm, and another extrude, just show the sketch again with that profile, make it 300 again, not cut. There's my extrude, there it is. It should be, of course, a new body. Okay. Now let's mirror it and pattern it. So go for a mirror, create mirror bodies, this body and that body, and the mirror plane would be that plane right here. Okay. Now let's make a pattern with these bodies. A circular one, and I want to pattern not features but bodies. This body, that one, and this one. The axis should be that axis right here, and I need 8 instances. And okay, so I got a whole lot of bodies right here, but I can't join separated bodies, so I have to do it like this. Scroll down, and now I can remove all these bodies from that one. So go to combine. I want to cut. The target body is this one, it's body 3, and the tool bodies are all the other ones up to the last one. To shift click and confirm. Now let's unite or join that body with this body. So go to modify, combine, and join body 2 and body 3 and confirm. And again it switched to, that's really odd, always to cut, and okay. Very nice. And I might change these splines a little bit. So go back to this sketch, hide the body, and that would be the sketch. So modify it, and I would like to move this over here and change this one a little bit, and then maybe move this up a little bit as well, but you have to make sure it stays aligned. So let's back, and I want this point and drag it a little bit, drag this a little bit over here. Yeah, and seems this was not perpendicular, so make it perpendicular if possible. Midpoint snap, there it is, perpendicular, and this handle should be perpendicular. Seems I lost it because of the trim, maybe. Okay, let's take a look. Stop the sketch, move that up and show the body. Yeah, that's okay. Now I need a sketch with a point, So go for a sketch on that plane. That would be a point, because I want to make a hole, so go for point, put it right there, stop the sketch, go for a hole, that's the point, and it should go through all, yes, and diameter maybe 70, okay. Now let's add another sketch and another point, and go for another point, maybe here, just align it to that point, okay, stop the sketch, make another hole, and this might be 10, again through all, let's take a look, yes, nice, and make a pattern, a circular pattern with that hole, not bodies but features, okay, select the axis, this would be that axis, and I want to have 5 instances. Yeah, it's okay, and I might even change those splines, but I think it's okay. So hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, give it a like down below, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, see you to the next one, bye bye.